How to add a product description for your Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how we can actually add a product description for our Shopify products. Now this is going to work with Dawn theme or any other theme. It's not really going to make a difference here. But for example, I have created this sample product just to show you, and I don't really have any description here. So let's just show you how to actually add a description to it where people can actually, read the description and everything. So we are going to be required to go to the Shopify admin, and then from here we want to go to the products section here on the left panel. And then from here we can just feel free to add products, or we can just go ahead and edit already existing products, which I assume this is the case for you right now. And just go ahead and open up this products that you have, and then right away, right beneath the title, you will find that you will have the description option here. So just go ahead and add the description that you would need. I'm just going to add some dummy text in here. And for the description, you have a lot of things that you can actually do. You can make some of the text bold. You can just make it italics if you want, and you can also change the formatting, so whether it's going to be a heading, and then we can just go ahead and make it a normal paragraph here. And right now it is bold, but we can just go ahead and undo that. And yeah, we can actually do a lot more stuff here as well. So for example, we can insert links, we can change the alignment for a specific text here. So for example, this one, and we can also do more stuff like insert image, insert video, and we can also do more stuff here within the bullet points and more stuff. Anyways, once you're happy with the description that we have just added, we can simply just click on save, and we can pretty much exit. Now, if you want to actually create a new product, I did already save. Okay, so if you wanted to create a new product instead of editing an old one, again, it's going to be the same steps. Just go ahead and add a new product, add the title, and then you will have the description option here. Now let's actually go ahead and view how it's going to look like. So if we just go to our online store here, and we scroll down and actually click on the product itself, and we can actually find the description right over here. Sorry about that. So yeah, anyways, this is pretty much how to add your product description. And I believe if we just go to customize here, and if we open up our default product page, so let's just go ahead and open this up, we can actually see the description right down here. And I believe you can actually go ahead and move it up if you would like, or down. It is going to be completely up to you. You can just go ahead and move it wherever you would like. And yeah, this is pretty much how to add a product description in your Shopify. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.